Free Buck, free BJ. RIP the guys. I was heartbroken when they said my girlfriend died. I told my brother we gon' get it, we gon' fucking ride. When I catch a boy, yeah, that nigga gonna die. You said I'm rapping pussy boy, you know I keep that vibe. My brother said that I'ma make it, I'ma fucking try. 50K, yeah, you know, and I'ma ride it down. I was sad when they said my cousin, he got shot. I'ma stack this money up to the fuck side. My niggas who up in the jail. Even what's a beef, yeah, we gon' raise hell. Sippin' on the green, got me moving like a snail. My nigga, y'all some odds, y'all be running the tail. You could never take this slip because my niggas right there. I think every day that my girlfriend right here. I think about the good days that I never had. I'ma fuck all your girls and I'ma just pass. I'ma skid, yeah, I'ma hit the gas. You toting them girls, but she never gon' blast. Always in first and I never come last. I be thinking about these days when the nigga gonna pass. Niggas say you on my level, pussy boy, you just trash. You just trash, nigga.